introduce myself briefly, my name is Ephraim Eliav, and I am IWRI Director, and I am also serve as a KAMEA Research Professor in Tel Aviv University. As you see, the title of our conference is very broad-ranged, solving the global problems of modernity through integration in society, science, and culture. And this title is in line with the goals of all our conferences. And we have these conferences twice per year. So which are the goals of our conferences? First of all, we would like to consolidate the efforts of scholars, educators, and specialists in the scientific integral methodology in revealing unity and integrality of the laws of nature, society, and human evolution. Second, our goal is to ensure on this basis the proper ways of strategic development of society and harmonization of social ties and relationships. And the last is to promote globally the integral methodology for education and social management in order to solve the challenges of the 21st century. So, couple of words about our institute. The mission of IWRI, Integral World Research Institute, is the following. IWRI is a voluntary, non-profit international scientific and educational organization promoting the integral scientific paradigm and education, aiming the harmonization of humanity towards becoming the life superorganism. So that is actually our motto and a very brief history of our institute. IWRI has been organized 3 years ago in 2018 as a device network of over 50 doctors, professors, teachers, scientists, specialists in various fields coming together from all corners of the globe for purpose of developing a scientifically based, universally accepted method of integral research and education. We would like to implement this method globally. We believe that this is a necessary step if we really want to be, that there will be a hope for future generation. Probably I have a couple of minutes also to explain our integral scientific paradigm. So there are a few very essential points. We would like to scientifically demonstrate that our universe is integral. So it means that it is interconnected, interdependence, it's casual, purposeful, and synergetic. We want to formulate the main scientific ontological principles of reality based purely on information, and in particular on desires as fundamental informational structures. We want to develop the integral and the collective perception of reality on both theoretical and experimental practical level. And we also want to scientifically make reinterpretation and rationalization on the base of information and desires, such the most complicated phenomena like global evolution, life, consciousness, human being, and civilization. Probably the last point that I would like to stress here is that we would like to reach the practical restructuring and the regularization of all humanity to harmonious and prosperous life on the synergetic level of a single united superorganism. And probably a few points concerning our approach to integral education. The integral education pedagogy should be based on the most advanced integrative social-based pedagogical techniques like collective educational simulation, games, and case studies, roundtable seminars, brainstorms, mutual responsibilities between students, collective mutual studies, and etc. Social skills that we would like to offer are the following: integrative communication, integral social management, and self-management, development of collective emotions and intellect, and the integral education knowledge are the following: integral laws of the universe, collective phenomena, and the super organism in nature, synergy of the integral human connection and society. And the last point is the integral education availability. From our point of view, it should be available for all people of the world for free, without any limitation for age, sex, and social affiliation. That's all I wanted to say. And now, please, our conference is opened, and I will transfer the word to the moderator, please.
Hi, I'm Gianni Conti I'm an educator here in New York City, and I'm very excited to introduce this distinguished panel of guests. And before I introduce our first guest, I just want to let you know that we do have simultaneous translation on the platform. The link should be in the chat. We would also love to hear your questions. And if you're in the Zoom, you're welcome to raise your hand and ask a question of any of the presenters. If you're on Facebook, YouTube, or any other of the other social media platforms, we would love to hear from you there as well. Just post your questions there, and we will make sure that they are answered either right after the speaker presents or in our forum at the end of the day. So I'm also going to post the links for the YouTube, for the social media platform, so that our presenters can get to any questions that we don't get to. At the end of the day, we want to make sure we get to all of them.